I'm gonna be playing Roblox today. Let's see what we can play. What is we play? Don't press that in. Because there's nothing more to play, you know. Okay. Jump! Okay, see, I almost died, guys. Here is my cute little avatar. No. Bye. Okay, yeah. Drop some money. Dropping up money. Drop some money.
They bring that one to the room.
Okay, I have to go.